Marco Antonio. He's Vice Director and Head of Strategy of MAHLE. And well, he was kind to come to us now to explain a bit about the system, the new X20 system, some key parts, key features, and get to know a bit to understand the new strategy and the new lineup.
Okay, great. Thanks, Joaquin, for your time today. It is a pleasure to stay here with this Diamond. Okay, but it's cool because it's one of the first gravel bikes that goes to the market. There will be a lot, but this is the first. Okay, and it's a pleasure. No, you were super connected to us from the very beginning, and the urban and jump into the gravel. So I think there is a wall connection between. It's the perfect gravel for the people who goes to urban, who want to jump a little bit. The people who is in the mountain bike that is speed want this taste to speed, that they can get with this.
Exactly.
With a system that is full compatible with European and the American market, so that will really go to the American market achieving high speed. And so 1.3 kilos in the motor, which is perfect. Like you are using the small battery, the 250, good enough. Good enough.
Yeah. We wanted to keep it small and simple.
Absolutely, sleek design. So then even for example, the new head unit there, which is perfect integrated, fans for and it's like hey, I'm alive. Okay, so. Really easy to understand totally that you have, for example here, this level assist because the color and this battery level. So it's, the reading is perfect, okay, for knowing exactly non-intrusive, okay, as your bikes that looks like, it looks like a normal bike. Powering also the front and the rear lights, and come on, the integration, how smooth goes this motor, even when you overspeed.
Can you tell us a bit more about that? What's the main difference between the new motor and the old one, in terms of performance and how it's better for a
Let's
gravel
focus
bike?
in the motor, okay, a little bit. Okay, yes, it's a piece of art. It's a motor full produced in Europe via MAHLE. Okay, thank you. And it's really good because this is just 1.3 kilos.
That's amazing. I've been telling the whole fire 1.6 and people was already surprised. Yeah. And now I got to know that it's
really no drag. Okay, so then a cool thing is that you could be able to use any standard free wheels. We supply free wheels for all standards, and also you can use through axle, as you can be able to see here. So this is a standard bike. You can remove the rear wheel, put in a new one. No connection for nothing. It's natural. There are some guides that connect automatically the motor.
I have to say I'm very grateful that you did all my wish list. Remember back in
you have a long list of your wish
2016 when we started working in the project together. And we really thought about all of these features. And you put your team working on that, and you made a great job.
Making this real is something like I don't know how many thousands of hours of engineering. We have around 100 engineers in our R&D center in Spain also, in full collaboration with other entities of MAHLE around the world, and at least 3 continents working on that.
That's amazing.
For achieving such an interesting motor who has 55 newtons meter in the rear wheel, which is, good enough for putting to you in the most remote corner of the world, no? And definitely it's a big jump, totally big jump. One of the interesting things is that RP no drag when you overspeed, when you are achieving the maximum speed.
The bike spins forever.
It's a standard. It's a muscular bike.
So the guys, that is unbelievable.
Yeah.
Spins forever.
Yeah.
That's a big advantage between the previous model.
Totally. Yeah. Absolutely. We can stay here half an hour doing that, no? Yeah. So, but even apart of that, you really make like a lot of things in urban, no? So.
Yeah, we are launching the system. Actually, we are the first one launching the system with gravel. And the very first one with urban,
yeah, come on, it's really impressive, right? So
Yeah, this is
look
good.
at what's the weight at the end, because but this is alloy, isn't it? But
Yeah, this is
carbon.
alloy with
Yeah.
the gearbox, but still we managed to keep it in 14 kilos
Yeah.
with the aluminum fork. The full carbon bike goes to 12 kilos.
Absolutely, absolutely, like a super nice integration with the gearbox in the middle to control the speeds. Or really, it's exactly the same. And jumping a little bit to the system of, let me explain some key points around the system. No,
Yes,
there
please.
are, yeah, there are some components like, by example, the new run standard, okay, could be able to stand the right in addition another 172 watts, no? And the cool thing is that the user also can select from where he wants to get the energy. He wants to get the energy from here, from the bike, but I cannot reveal to you everything today.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
so, but let me say that you have here, or I have here in my hands, 172 watts of energy. For doing what? For doing, let's see,
Charging
just for
my
the bike.
laptop? Okay.
Okay, so let's see, because there are amazing things that are coming, and your urban users are going to be able to use the run standard, not even for this, for whatever that they could be able to imagine. And the energy can be able to flow, not even from the battery to the bike, even from the other devices, even to this battery. And it will be something cool. That's it.
Okay.
They don't need to wait so much.
Okay, fantastic.
Yeah, so a lot of accessories, and this part is really awesome. It's produced also in Spain. Okay, it's our country.
We're very proud
So,
that we are
yeah.
producing that there.
And this is one of
That's
the
the
huge
one we are
innovations.
using
huh?
on the gravel bike for
Yeah.
more sportive feeling.
Yeah,
with the
absolutely,
traction, so-
absolutely. Yeah. So I mean, for the urban, it's not necessary at all. Okay, we are using some artificial intelligence that we have introduced
It's
with machine
working
learning,
great
working
so
so
far,
well.
yeah.
But this is something super nice, because it's like a power meter, really. And the users can use at the end like a standard group set,
Exactly.
and we have reading something like 40 points in cadence. And come on, it's as much you push, as much you get.
Yeah.
So really, it's jewel in the engineering. And come on, we have the app, we have the connectivity, we have the background, we have the backend, all the software, all the service, all the things that are coming. And come on, your users are going to be
Amazing. Yeah.
okay,
Thanks a lot.
Great, really thanks, Joaquin,
Thanks,
for your
for
time,
the
for
cooperation and
doing
for-
something so
yeah.
great. Okay, and for MAHLE, it's a pleasure.
Very
Let's
proud to
continue.
promote your system
Absolutely.
and our bikes. Thanks.
Thank you.